What's up, guys? This is going to be the stash video for this year. I'll just try to bulk up everything, do one full video, and that's it. We got a Avatar 3x36 3-inch bores. We have 3 Porkies, actually 4 Porkies with this one. FTS stream, shot one off, super nice. If you guys can still get it, I highly recommend that one. 100 shots. Then we got a Tress A and B. I got picked up another Honey Bunny. Tress is still the silver foil wrap. We got a Fire in the Sky. We got 2 cliffhangers. Some more FTS BDH stuff. 3-inch 25 shot deep fake pure color, super bright colors. And then we got a Carnage. Might be small, but honestly the weight of it is pretty heavy, packs a punch. 3 heifers. And then for the main wall we got Terrifier, Masterpiece, 2 Ogres, Nuclear Man. We got a Master Party, 2 Siennas, Victorious Warrior, and then 2 Okua, however you pronounce that. But that's gonna be it for this year. Couldn't get my hands on any Cocos, but probably for New Year's.